My mic wasn't on. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. God damn it. Today I'm going to be filming a makeup, no makeup, is it no makeup, makeup, whatever. But it's like a little 5-minute routine for when I don't feel like doing the most with my face. I mean, I already don't because I don't wear foundation, I don't contour, I don't do any of that stuff. But I'm going to be sharing with you guys something quick and easy that you can do before you leave the house. It doesn't require false lashes, eyeshadow, concealer, anything like that. I literally have 4 products here that I'm going to be using. Yes, my plant is dead. I bought it at Walmart like a few months ago. I definitely think I got like a bad one because it was moldy, and apparently like Majesty palms aren't really good indoor plants, and I live in Canada too, so lack of sunlight and all of that stuff, so it's dying. I'm just gonna throw it out and maybe get some artificial stuff or just forget about plants in general. So before I start, I'm gonna share with you guys the products that I'm using. I have my Fenty Beauty highlighter in Hustler Baby and Mean Money. I have a ColourPop Ultra Lip in Here's to You. I have the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara. And I have my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I think this is in the color Espresso. So, take my glasses off and we're going to start with brows first. So I usually kind of just, well, it's kind of key to get your eyebrows done, but whatever. I know a lot of girls these days like the natural look thing. So I guess bushier brows. So anyways, I'm going to start by brushing my brows up or whatever. This light, my light behind me is kind of setting me off. But with my brows, my mirror is dirty. Lord. I'm working on getting a new mirror with some lights on it. So yeah, start with my brows. So I really like this brow pencil. It's similar to the Brow Wiz, I think it's called, by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think it works pretty much the same, and I looked it up before I bought it and they said it was a dupe to that. So I'm just going to gently fill in my brows wherever need be. So a little bit in the front. I like to kind of have that like bushy look in the front of my brows. And then we're going to take it to the tail of my eyebrow. That's pretty much it for that side. For this side, we're going to do the same thing. So brush up and down. And then just kind of take your pencil to the end of your brows. So I guess while I'm doing this, I can make it like a really quick chit chat video. So if you follow me on like social media or whatever, you know I'm like doing this whole vegan thing, which I need to film another update today. I totally forgot. It's been good. It's been pretty good. By the way, my eyebrows are naturally uneven, so don't even start with that. Yeah, it's been pretty good, going pretty good. I kind of like step back a little bit because I was doing that thing again where I put a lot of pressure on myself, and I felt like it was that and a mix of other things because I've been having a lot on my mind as of these days, as in like plans for 2019 and why my videos aren't getting views. Am I not tagging them right? Am I not promoting my channel the right way? Shit like that. And I feel like I'm no longer going to invest in, oh, so now I'm using my highlighter and I'm using Hustler Baby on my nose and then Mean Money on my cheekbones. And I've even like talked about like to myself, obviously, no longer investing in more equipment for my channel. Just because I feel like I'm not where I want to be at yet, and I don't want to be stupid and waste money or whatever, and it doesn't end up going anywhere, or I just end up throwing the whole channel away. Now my camera battery is dying. I don't know how, but yeah, it's dying. I'm gonna just do this really quick. Scrap the chit chat because it's just not gonna work today. My camera battery is dying. But yeah, I don't know. There's just a lot going on in my life. I guess I'll save it for another video since my battery's about to die. But now I'm just doing mascara. I got it underneath here, whatever. We got mascara done. And now I'm going to quickly do my lips. And that's it. So with this, you could pretty much use any lip gloss or whatever. Literally, probably even less than 5 minutes. If you wanted to go more in detail with your brows, you could. But this is just like a little natural beat kind of thing. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. My camera is about to die, so I'm going to end it right here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I know it hurts sometimes, but you'll get over it. You'll find another life to live.